Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to view and transfer USB files on our Android smartphone. So let's check it out. Google or Android might change the way the settings look right now. If the options are different, please let us know in the comments. We will provide the updated steps for this. If you want to see the photos and videos or transfer any files you have on your USB drive to your Android smartphone, then we can easily do that. We will see some options for that now. To do this, we are going to use the Files by Google app. We can download this for free from the Play Store. This is a useful file management app from Google. After installing this, we can insert our USB pen drive or any SSD we have using a cable. Usually, most of the modern smartphones have USB-C port. If you have a different one for your USB drive, then you can use an adapter for this. So I am going to insert our pen drive. This is from Kingston called DT Microdio. I have been using this for years, and this is our favorite SSD, Samsung T7 Shield. I'll share both the links in the description if you want. So we have this USB-C pen drive and we have USB-C port. So we just have to simply insert this. The good thing about most of the modern smartphones is it will automatically detect it and open using the default Files app. This comes handy. We can easily access our files. But if you are using an old phone or if you want a better file browsing option, then we can open the Files by Google app. And then we just have to go to the bottom and we will see our pen drive or USB drive name. We just have to select this. That's all. We can easily open the files we want. We can play the video and we can also open the photos. That's all. And suppose if I want to transfer this video file and this image file, we just have to select that and go to this three-dot menu and select move to, and we can select our internal storage here. Here we can select the folder we want. We will go with this one and select move here. So it is moving the files. That's all. We can go back, go to internal storage, go to this folder and we can see our files. That's all. If you want an advanced interface for doing all this, then you can check out the Solid Explorer app. We can download this for free on the Google Play Store. We can open the app, go to this hamburger menu and we can see our USB drive here. We can select that. We can go to our folder and we can see the files. They have some advanced options which might come handy for some people. And if you want to disconnect your USB drive from your Android phone, then we can go to the notification panel and we will have this option. Usually we will have the keywords like disconnect or eject option. So we just have to select this to safely remove our USB drive. That's all. It is gone now. We can remove our USB drive safely now. That's all. If you have any issues while connecting your USB drive to your Android phone, then we can also enable the OTG connection option on our settings. We just have to go to settings and search for OTG. We will get like this OTG connection and we just have to enable this. That's all. Also, please check the USB drive format. Usually exFAT or FAT32 is fine. Also, make sure to use a proper cable for your SSD as well. When you are using a file manager app, usually the folder will have the pen drive or SSD name, or it will simply have the name OTG. So we can select that to access our USB drive. These are the steps to view and transfer USB drive files on our Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.